Hello guys, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install and set up Ollama, which is an AI models provider on your local system. So let's start. So first we will go to Chrome, open it. Here search for Ollama. Go to this first link. Click on this download button. So it will take you here. Click on this download for Windows. Click save. So now you can see here the download is started. I will cancel this because I have already downloaded this. So if I go to this full view history, show in folder. So you can see Ollama setup here. So I'll double click on this to open it. I'll click on this install, and as you can see it has started installing Ollama. So it will take some time, so we will wait. So now you can see it is installed. So it is on this launch tab. So we will go to this chat tab. Here I will expand this. It is loading models. So we will wait. Now you can select model from here. So now you can see this JLM 5.2 and this Minimax M3 is shown here. They are cloud model, and you can see a download button with this Gemma 4. So you can download this one. In this video, I'll show you this cloud models, and in the next video, we will install and set up a local model on our system. So if I come to this Minimax M3 cloud, and if I send it a hi, so this button is grayed out because we need to log in for cloud model. So I'll click on the sign in. I'll click connect, and device connected successfully. Now if I come here to Ollama again, so now you can see the button is working. Now if I send it a hi there, how can I help you today? And now I can ask it anything. But how can we set up more cloud models? So for that, I'll come here, and here I'll search for models. I'll click on this, and these are different models. So now you can see here a cloud model is available of this DeepSeek. So I'll click on this, and now if I come down, I'll copy this cloud one. I'll come here, type CMD, and I will use Ollama full, and then I will paste the model name and hit enter. Now it is pulling manifest. You can see success. Now if I come here to this Ollama, and now you can see here DeepSeek version 4 Flash Cloud. Now if I select this and set it a high, so forbidden error, the model requires a subscription. So this is a paid model, not free one. That is why it is showing this error. I'll show you another one which is free. So I'll go back, and I'll search here for GPT-oss. This one, I'll select this, and I will copy the cloud one, 120 billion parameters. And now if I come here, and if I use Ollama pull, and if I paste the model name and hit enter, so it will pull its manifest. Now we can access it here. Create a new chat. Now if I type here GPT, so now you can see GPT-oss 120 billion cloud. I'll select this, and if I send it a hi, so now you can see it is working. You can also run the model from here. For that you will use Ollama run, and then the model name and hit enter. Now you can see we are connected to GPT-oss. If I send it a hi, so now you can see it is working here as well. Hello world program in Java. So now you can see it has written this hello world program, and it has explained this. So in this way you can install Ollama and can use cloud models with it. In the next video, I'll show you how to use local models with it, how to download a local model, and how then use it with Ollama. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.